Hi, hello, welcome to Eagle Health. The following suggestions are for those people who are suffering from thyroid. You have to continue your medication referred by the doctor with the same dosage. You have to get tested the thyroid profile for every 20 days and have to continuously keep meeting your doctor. Doctor will reduce the dosage of the medicine by observing your results. Weight reduction for the people with thyroid problem is a little bit slower than the others. Please do not get disappointed. Continue the diet program by keeping this in mind. All the remaining food program with 4 pillars should be maintained as it is. So please take care of the diet and your thyroid is definitely curable, and keep consulting your doctor, keep following the diet, and definitely the medicine intake will reduce. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Eagle Health. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.
Like and subscribe Eagle Health and Beauty.